He says, they're talking about buying fiats. I said, not the cards. They're talking about money. They're talking about money. So basically what I did, he was my subject student. I took him through this presentation and I taught him the language by using QR codes.
To do because Satoshi's not there, and so we don't actually know what Satoshi would want.
I think the community may actually benefit as Satoshi did choose to come back and become the spiritual leader who did provide guidance and reconcile the community towards consensus.
For now, though, it doesn't seem like Satoshi Nakamoto is interested in coming forward. Anonymity provides protection, privacy, and peace. Three things that likely appeal to the owner of 1 million Bitcoin. But is that really?
Funds will need to go to Coinbase first. And then if you are open to an opinion, they then need to go to GDAX. Because by doing this, you reduce your fees. Every time you transfer something, it's just like if we get off the plane in Mexico and I want to exchange US dollars for, help me out, is it pesos?
Yeah.
Okay. There's an exchange fee, right?
Right.
They got to make a little money on it.
Right.
It's the same thing with this stuff. Based on what I've seen so far, for every $100 that you would send into Coinbase, they're going to take 4. So in essence, in order for you to have $100 in Coinbase, you really need to send more like 4. Okay, you can use the bank or you can use the debit card. I would highly recommend, if you're open to opinion, the debit card.
Okay, so we're going to GDAX.
Well, hold on. You first